Another day, another English lesson. C1 Collocations, adverb plus adjective. Welcome back. At the C1 level, it's important to master specific adverb adjective collocations. These are fixed partnerships where a particular adverb intensifies an adjective in a natural and precise way. Here are 8 C1-level collocations to help you express complex ideas with clarity and style. 1. Overwhelmingly positive, meaning extremely positive. Example: the feedback from the test audience was overwhelmingly positive, so we are confident about the TV series. 2. Inherently risky, meaning naturally risky. The risk is a fundamental part of it. Example: investing in startup companies is inherently risky, but the potential rewards can be high. 3. Patently obvious, meaning so obvious that everyone can see it with no trouble. Example: it was patently obvious that he had not prepared for the presentation at all. 4. Socially conscious, meaning concerned about issues of social and political justice. Example: more socially conscious consumers are now choosing brands that protect the environment. 5. Mutually beneficial, meaning helpful for both people or organizations involved. Example: the merger between the two companies was a mutually beneficial decision and strengthened them both. 6. Clinically proven, meaning tested and verified through scientific and medical trials. Example: this new skincare product makes claims that are clinically proven, which is why I trust it. 7. Acutely sensitive, meaning extremely and intensely sensitive, either emotionally or physically. Example: this is an acutely sensitive topic for many people, so we must discuss it with respect and empathy. 8. Utterly absurd, meaning completely ridiculous, illogical, or silly to the point of being unbelievable. Example: the politician's explanation for the error was utterly absurd and satisfied no one. Now watch and choose the correct adverb to complete the collocations. One. The critical reception for the director's latest film was overwhelmingly positive, with many calling it a masterpiece. 2. Free solo climbing, scaling rock faces without ropes, is an inherently risky pursuit that demands absolute focus. 3. From his unclear answers, it was patently obvious that the suspect was hiding something. 4. The socially conscious investor chose to put her money into a fund that supports renewable energy projects. 5. Bees and flowers have a mutually beneficial relationship essential to the ecosystem. 6. To be effective, a new drug must be clinically proven to work in large-scale trials. Seven. As journalists working a conflict zone, they became acutely sensitive to troop movements. Eight. The claim that the Earth is flat is not just incorrect. Science shows that it is utterly absurd. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.